Hello everyone, today I'm gonna replace the new grill for my E39. As you can see right now, it's look very horrible. So I got the new one, new style. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace. It's very easy. You can do it at home. First of all, pop up the hood engine. You're gonna need the flathead screwdriver. Just use the tower, clean up before install it. And then install the new one, the new grill, and just put it in. It's gonna lock inside. There's a clip inside. And lock it, and make sure you put all over. Just use your hand, push it just like that, and that's it. And make sure it again, and it's gonna look like this. This looks very good, isn't it? Wow. The only one thing that I'm not okay when you're gonna pop up the hood, it's a little bit difficult to use the finger, get to the holder, but it's not so bad. I can do it anyway. All right, and that's it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.